These are amazing. They look so good. It definitely looks good. And these are real carbon fiber, and they just look amazing. What's up, guys, and we are back for another exciting video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please do not forget to like and subscribe. What's up, guys? This is JDM for all, and today is an exciting day because I got some new carbon fiber mirror caps for my LEXUS IS, and I am super excited. Alright, so these are the caps. They came with double-sided tape, and this tape is actually really thin. So, don't know where you get this tape from, but this double-sided tape is extremely thin, which is awesome, so the mirror caps won't be popping up too much. It looks like they sanded the inside and just left it like that and chipped it, so it does look really dusty in here, so I'm going to be wiping it down, and I already cleaned my mirrors. I just have to use some alcohol wipes. And like my other video with the carbon fiber and the double-sided tape, I have 4 alcohol wipes right here for the mirrors and the mirror caps on the inside. So I'm going to wipe these down real quick and then use alcohol wipes and make sure these are super clean for some double-sided tape. But before I do that, I wanted to show you guys what these caps look like. Look at that. These are amazing. They look so good. That really looks really good. Look at that. It definitely looks good, and these are real carbon fiber, and they just look amazing. So this is the outside, and yeah, look at that reflection. That is just beautiful. So they do look really good, and that is what it looks like close up. And then this is the inside. Yeah, it looks like they got sanded, and they're almost ready for double-sided tape. They just need to be cleaned out a little bit because they look super dusty, but they do look like they will stick to double-sided tape really well now that they have a little bit of sanding. Alright, so I'm going to clean them out and then we will start double-sided taping them. Alright, so the inside has been cleaned out on both of them and they look shiny and clean now. So hopefully these really work really well with double-sided tape. I'm sure they will. I'm going to let them dry real quick and then I will add on the double-sided tape. But they already look way cleaner and they look much better. Okay, so I just alcohol wiped both of my mirrors and the inside of the mirror caps. So they should be really clean, and there was actually a little spot right here that came out, so those alcohol wipes really do work well. Alright, so that took a little while because I wanted to make sure that they are done right and that I actually covered all the good spots that actually will hold it on the best. And then I just threw some more in, just in between, because basically I have 2 of these, and yeah, this is how many are left over, so there are a lot. Also, when you slide the mirror on, I want to make sure that I am able to move it around while I am actually using it and placing it. So I'm going to make sure that the corner ones, all of these corner ones right here, are actually easily reachable, and I'm going to actually pull them out a little bit and undo the back just a little bit, have the backing outside of the mirror so I can place them before I actually pull them off. So it is time to put this on now, guys. I think this is enough. This tape is really sticky. I actually took a couple pieces off to shorten some of these because they were about to overlap, so I did shorten them, and this is what it looks like. This tape is pretty strong. It is, I don't know, it's clear, so that's good, but yeah, it's pretty strong tape and it's really thin, so I've never seen this tape before from 3M, but it seems like it will hold very well. So before my mirror gets any dustier from sitting outside waiting, or in the garage waiting for me, I'm going to get this on, guys, so let's go. Alright guys, so like I said before, I basically have all of the corners, the backs, partially off, and I took off all of the inside ones. And I actually added on one more on the inside just to make sure, but these backs are actually really hard. You have to scratch them off, and you end up scratching a little bit of the tape on the corners, but I ended up getting all of them off and the backs partially off of all of the corners, so it is time to install right now. Alright guys, so this is the finished product, and it's basically seamless. It looks really good, and it came out really good. This definitely does fit my car really well, and my mirrors, look at that. It just fits so well. In the front, you can see a little bit of white, but otherwise, it does look really good. I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but I don't like that you can see a little bit of white. I mean, it doesn't bother me too much, but I don't like that you can see some white. So basically, right there, you can see a little bit of white. It's not really bad, but yeah. So for the most part, most people that drive by my car or just walk by it will not notice that white in the back, but they will see this, and it looks amazing. Look at that, guys. Such a deep carbon fiber shine. It just looks amazing, and I am definitely liking this look. I am glad that I got these. So I'm going to clean these up and wax them and protect them from the sun, because I do not want these to fade, but I am definitely happy, and I will be back with the next mirror. But first, I want to give you guys a quick tip on, if you guys are getting these mirrors, how you should put the double-sided tape on. So I basically put double-sided tape on every corner of this mirror, but you want to make sure that you get every corner, because otherwise it will be loose on the sides, and you do not want that, because that is probably going to be a weak point for this mirror to come off even easier, or I don't know, fly off somehow when you're driving. So you definitely want to make sure that you get all of the corners with double-sided tape. Alright guys, so I'm going to go do the other mirror, and when I come back, I will show you guys what the other mirror looks like. Alright guys, and as you can see, the passenger side came out just as good as the driver's side, and I am super happy with this. Alright guys, so that was the carbon fiber mirror cap install, and I'm definitely happy. It really does fit really well. I mean, I can't even complain. So it looks amazing, and this garage is super hot, so hopefully this tape really does its job and holds on well. It just looks amazing. Look at that. That reflection right there says it all. Wow. It just looks like I bought $200 mirrors. I don't know, maybe like $300 mirrors. This is amazing, and it looks amazing. So these were $115 on eBay, and I think it's definitely worth it. They really upgraded the look, and obviously this carbon fiber is real, and it looks great. And here's my carbon fiber Tech Art, Vivid Tech Art wrapped vinyl hood, and it looks pretty good, but nowhere near that carbon fiber. That real carbon fiber look is just amazing, guys. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for making it this far. And if you guys haven't already, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video.